If you're wondering how to embed an Outgrow widget on your website, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know step by step so you can easily integrate interactive content and start boosting conversions with Outgrow's powerful tools. Before we dive into the details, did you know that you can use Outgrow for free through the first link below? Plus, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that'll help you get the most out of the software. Stick around, because I'll also show you how to unlock an extended free trial that'll give you more time to explore Outgrow's features. Now, let's talk about how to get that Outgrow widget embedded on your site. Outgrow is a platform that allows you to create quizzes, calculators, surveys, and other interactive widgets that help capture leads and engage your visitors. Whether you're trying to collect data or boost engagement, it's one of the best tools out there, and embedding the widgets is super easy. First things first, you'll need to create your widget. Head over to your Outgrow dashboard and choose what kind of interactive content you want to create. You can pick from a variety of templates, like quizzes, assessments, or even recommendation engines. Each of these templates is customizable, so you can design the widget to fit your brand's look and feel. Once your widget is ready, go to the Publish tab. Here, you'll find different options for how you can share your widget. Since we're embedding it on a website, click the Embed option. Outgrow will give you a piece of embed code, which you'll need to copy. Don't worry, it's just a simple HTML code snippet. Now, here's where it gets easy. Go to the page on your website where you want the widget to appear and open up the HTML editor for that page. In the HTML editor, you'll paste the embed code where you want the widget to show up. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, you can just paste the code into a custom HTML block. If you're working with raw HTML, paste it directly into the page's code. After that, save or update your page. Once you refresh the page, you should see your Outgrow widget live on your website, ready to collect leads, engage visitors, and provide interactive experiences. If you want more advanced customization, you can adjust the widget's appearance by editing its CSS or using additional parameters that Outgrow provides. For example, you can control when and where the widget appears on your page, or set triggers like scrolling or time spent on the page. That's really all there is to it. Embedding an Outgrow widget on your website is quick and simple, and once it's live, you can start collecting insights and boosting your conversions almost immediately. But before you go, remember that you can get started with Outgrow for free by clicking the first link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses we're offering to help you make the most of your Outgrow experience. Plus, if you want more time to explore Outgrow's features, I'll show you how to get an extended free trial at the end of this video. By embedding an Outgrow widget, you're making your website more interactive, engaging, and ultimately more effective at turning visitors into leads and customers. Thanks for watching, and remember to take advantage of that free trial before it expires.